Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello everyone, Norhalma here once again, welcoming our subscribers and podcast listeners. If you're new here, thank you for giving us a chance to share insightful marketing, accounting, and production tips and strategies for your construction business. It's episode number 474, and today, Sherry DeHart talked about bad business practices in construction bookkeeping. Let's get into it. One of the biggest challenges construction company owners like you have when an in-house bookkeeper is training them to work for your best interest, not theirs, and deliver consistent results and the reports you can trust daily, year after year. Having been involved with construction and construction accounting and bookkeeping for over 30 years, we have seen a consistent pattern repeated over and over that will turn ordinary, decent, pleasant bookkeepers into disheveled, broken, mean, nasty, arrogant trolls, and that's a good day when the sun is shining and the birds are singing. Here's how it happens. Someone is assigned the construction bookkeeping duties, and they are typically mild-mannered, shy, and unable to say no. The newly appointed bookkeeper opens the QuickBooks Pandora's box and loads the CD in the computer, believing it will be set up and ready to go in 10 minutes. That's when the first of several unpleasant surprises happens. The pop quiz. QuickBooks screens start popping up and asking questions. Nobody said anything about a test or an exam, and panic began to take hold. The bookkeeper thinks, "Don't screw this up because I can't afford to lose this job." The questions keep coming like a raging river, so to put the responsibility on someone else, the bookkeeper asks the contractor for help and is told, "I don't know, you're the bookkeeper. Go figure it out. I'm busy." Luckily, QuickBooks has a guided tour of QuickBooks setup. Unfortunately, the bookkeeper charges forward, taking all the default answers suggested by QuickBooks. And in just over 2 hours, QuickBooks is set up horribly wrong. Choosing the correct QuickBooks version is the most critical part of all, because it is the foundation upon which your entire financial system is built. Put the wrong foundation under your business, and it will not matter who is doing the bookkeeping, because it will always be a mess. And you will never get the reports you really need to operate and grow your construction business profitably. Contractors who do not earn much money see bookkeeping as overhead, which costs money and therefore is a drain on profits. So they get a cheap computer, tiny monitor, garbage printer, tiny desk, and broken down chair. The contractor assigns additional tasks to the bookkeeper to get their money's worth. Go fetch and do everything, like personal errands, delivering materials, supplies, and paperwork to the job site, handing over all usernames and passwords to buy and pay stuff, making coffee, answering the phones, taking out the trash, cleaning the bathroom, anything and everything to get value out of the time and money wasted on bookkeeping. Contractors can miss many deadlines, but miss the payroll and they are out of business. The day that happens, your staff is looking for a new job no matter what they tell you. The contractor gets angry, makes deep noises from the chest, sound like important messages from the brain, and blames the bookkeeper for the missed payroll. What has now evolved into the incompetent bookkeeper will respond with something like, "The time cards never arrived, so I could not process payroll." The contractor simply responds with something like, "You should have figured out how to get them, even if it meant using your car, your gas, your personal time, and have gone to the job site and got them. It's your fault. I depended on you to do your job and you let me down." This is where the ordinary, decent, pleasant bookkeeper starts growing an attitude, thinking you don't understand how complicated bookkeeping is with a program like QuickBooks, that it's all screwed up and won't work right. Getting anything done in QuickBooks is an immense, fat, royal pain, let alone all the other stuff that contractor wants to do. The bookkeeper thinks you don't know or care because you hired them to take care of the paperwork. And that is precisely what you did, because in business, you produce reasons or results, and reasons don't count. Next, your vendors and suppliers don't get paid on time. Or worse yet, you miss the 2% discount if paid by the 10th, which in effect means you are paying a 36% annual interest rate penalty. And when you asked why, the bookkeeper says they didn't have enough time to get the bills into QuickBooks. Next, the payroll tax returns, sales tax returns, labor and industries tax returns, business and occupation tax returns, city licenses, and liability insurance audit starts slipping, and the fines and penalties add up. These bad business practices can frustrate you or any construction business owner because you've now realized it is a costly mistake. These do not even include overpaying income tax, lost productivity due to stress, and several other unknowns. Now, you have 3 responses: fight, flight, or replacement. Fight and demand could get it done, but how reliable your reports will be? Flight and hiring another in-house bookkeeper could only repeat the process. Or you can save time, money, and aggravation by outsourcing to a competent construction bookkeeping service. The choice is yours. Consider it before allowing these bad business bookkeeping practices to drive you insane. Protect yourself and your business. As we always say here, you deserve to be wealthy because you bring value to other people's lives. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Remember, we can help a little or a lot depending on your needs. All you have to do is just make a call to Sherry. You can contact her at 1-800-361-1770, or you can send her an email at Sherry, Sharie, Sherry at fasteasyaccounting.com. Also, we have another phone number, our Washington State local phone line. It's 206-361-3950. And Sherry will answer your call. If not, it will go straight to her voicemail that is the time you can actually leave her a voice message with your name and number so she can call you back. Our podcast promo code is still available for you to use. It's podcast20, PODCAST20, podcast20 for a 20% discount in our Fast Easy Accounting Store and Construction Accounting Academy. On behalf of Sherry and our team at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes, and make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.